Whirlpool front-load washer. When to call a professional. Sometimes troubleshooting your Whirlpool front-load washer can be quite challenging. Certain problems need expert attention. Recognizing these moments helps avoid further damage and ensures efficient repair. Here's a guide to know when it's time to call a professional. Persistent issues. If your washer has issues that keep coming back, it's best to seek help. Strange noises, leaks, or error codes are often signs of deeper problems. Below is a table showing common persistent issues and what they might indicate. Issue: possible cause: strange noises, drum or motor issues, water leaks, faulty hoses or seals. Error code: software or hardware faults. Warranty and support. Always check your washer's warranty before attempting any repairs. Unauthorized repairs might void the warranty. Whirlpool provides support that often covers parts and labor. Here is what to check. Warranty status: service plans, authorized repair centers. Contacting an authorized service center ensures your washer is in good hands. They have the right tools and expertise.